Hi, if you're new here, do subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video will be a quick makeup routine focusing on blue eyeshadow, and also in today's video I'll be trying out MERAK Cosmetics setting powder. If you know layefa beauty, you know she has a makeup brand, MERAK Cosmetics, and I'll be trying the shade cinnamon in today's video. I hope you watch and enjoy. Please leave a comment down below, and the products I use will be listed in my description bar. Give this video a thumbs up, share and enjoy. So this is MERAK Cosmetics setting powder in the shade cinnamon. I love the packaging. I'm just unboxing it now. You can see the powder itself and the puff it came with. So now I'm about to try it out. I love the feel of the setting powder. I love the application, and look how good it looks on me. Definitely loving it. I would recommend you get your own setting powder from MERAK Cosmetics. It's a must-have.
Running out of time, swept away by the riptide, hand held out, trying to touch the light, but never mind, I'll make it out alive. I'm looking blindfold through a tightrope. Danger cannot shut me off, ain't no doubt. My feet have crossed the line towards no hope. Cold word, no hate allowed.
I love the feel of the powder. I love how it looks, and yes, I went overboard with it. Just love it. And it comes in different shades, so you could find one fitting your skin tone. MERAK Cosmetics from layefa beauty. Go check it out.
If I just want to go, I've learned to keep an eye wide open. Ever since my peace of mind was stolen. Bitches in my OB, I'm if you're right, I'm gonna do it better, I'm gonna be silly. I don't go out to be ready for switch, I'm acting like cyber, my soul's zero lesson. Get half of the year, less than out in society. Still taking drugs, I guess they're anxiety. Big drum on my mind, she ain't paraded. Let my odds out of the spring, don't swallow me whole. And here I am, running out of time, swept away by the riptide, hand held out, trying to touch the light, but never mind, I'll make it out alive. I'm walking blindfold through a tightrope. Danger cannot shut me off, ain't no doubt. My feet have crossed the line towards no hope. Cold word, no hate allowed. No more hate allowed. No hate allowed. No more hate allowed. No hate allowed. No more hate allowed.
between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire clear skies, whipped cream cherry pies. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fun. Divine fields of lavender, Provence weather, evening walks, the fireflies with the twinkling of secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards. Ooh, every year right around June 21st, yeah. Ooh, I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fun. Divine linen dresses, straw masses, blowing hair through the wind as we're spinning. Watercolor world, it's all just beginning. Roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fun. Divine roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, 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 it's looking so fun. Divine. Slip me on and take me home. Take me home. Let me pull you closer, spending too much time alone. I can't stop the feeling in my heart. Oh, oh, oh. I can't stop the feeling once it starts. Oh, oh, oh. So if you run away with me, I'll take you back in my time machine, and we can dance, 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 dance.
Final look. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. The link to this hairdo will be in the description and the cards above. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.